welcome back to our podcast. Is Fadila Podcast, obrolan asik, seru, dan berfaedah. Today I'm going to be a new host here. My name is Hana Muldia Khalil. Sorry if I'm feeling nervous right now or seems nervous right now because I am. I'm sorry. Okay, we are going to interview my lovely friend is Nadifa. Guys. Okay, Nadifa. Okay, this evening, what do you feeling this evening?
I'm fine.
You don't seem fine.
What?
You really
What
fine?
do you think about that? Yes, I'm really fine.
You don't really. You don't seem fine.
What?
Your face like felt to me like I'm tired. I'm
I
bored.
smile.
That's fake smile. Okay. We're going to the next topic is I'm going to ask Nadifa about her hobbies and her dreams. Okay. So Nadifa, do you have something to do in your free time, like hobbies?
Yes, in my free time I'm reading a novel and listening to music.
Oh, novels and music.
Yes.
That's cool. I like reading novels too. What kind of novels do you like? What the genre of the novels?
I really like sad story in novel and Wattpad.
Wattpad, like
Yes.
application to watch the comic, to read the comic.
Yes.
Okay. So I want to know why do you like the sad story?
Because in the plot story, uh, I like reading in a plot.
You like the plot
Plot.
of the story? Like it's it's make me feel sad and I like to feeling sad.
I
Okay,
like.
that's weird.
I like cry.
Okay. May I know the title of your favorite book?
Not me.
Not me.
Yes.
Not you. Oh, do you
Uh,
mean the title
Title
is
is
not
Not
me?
Me.
Okay. Do you know the stories?
I
The
forget
stories
the
because
stories.
okay, it's like book or digital reading, like application you watch it or you reading it.
I
Book.
don't really what's in the digital.
But what is digital though?
I don't really like that. I really like novel book.
You prefer novels book than Wattpad?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the next topic is your dreams. Do you have a dream or many dreams do you have?
I have. My dream is psychiater.
Psychiater. Okay. Wow, a lot of people here in here, right? Okay.
I'm shy.
I'm getting nervous. Okay,
I'm shy.
what's your dream, Nadifa?
My dream is psychiater.
Psychiater.
Yes.
Okay, psychiater. Why do you want to be psychiater?
Because um I want to be psychiatrist, but inspired by novel.
Oh, inspirited. The novel is inspiring you to be a
Yeah,
psychiater.
yeah.
May I know why?
I don't know why.
You don't know why? Why don't you know that?
Because I don't know that. I know I like that story and I want to be a psychiatrist.
Oh, okay. You want to help people with their
Yes.
struggling. Okay, that's kind. Okay, we are. I think we are done. We are done here in the topics. We are finished. Okay, thank you for listening our podcast here with our lovely friend Nadifa, and I'm the new host, of course, Hannah. I'm very happy to be a new host here, and see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.